Hey everybody, Whit McGhee here with a video on using Google Hangouts Meet. This is a great tool that we have for you that allows you to have meetings using your webcam that's on your computer or on your smartphone. It's completely free. You don't have to have any special plugins or extras on your computer to use it. You already have everything that you need to have meetings using Google Hangouts Meet. And it's really simple to get started. I'm going to demonstrate with you right now how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in our web browser to meet.google.com, meet.google.com. So when I go to the Google Hangouts Meet website, I get a really simple screen that looks like this, where I have a couple of buttons. I can start a new meeting, or if someone else that I'm working with has already started a meeting, I can enter the meeting code by clicking this button. But what we're going to do is start a new meeting. So we click the Start a New Meeting button. Now, if it's your first time using Google Hangouts Meet, your web browser may ask for permission to use your computer's camera and microphone. Go ahead and allow all of that if it asks you for that. But once you've done that, you're going to be brought to this screen here where you see yourself on camera and a screen that says Meeting Ready. And so when I'm ready, I'm going to just click Start Meeting. Now, when I first pull up the camera, you get a prompt here that shows you to add others to the meeting. So there's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can click Copy Joining Info. So if you want to send the link to your Hangout to somebody over an email, you can just do that. And it also, notice here, it's got a phone number. So if you have somebody that needs to join the meeting but isn't at their computer right now, they can call this number and enter that PIN, and they can listen in to your meeting. But the easiest way to add people to your meeting is just to click this button here that says Add People. So I'm going to click Add People, and I'm going to bring in Brooke Brown into the meeting. So I'm just going to start typing her name, and here she is. So I'm going to click on her name and then click Send Invite. And now that I've sent an invite, she's going to get an email from me that has a link to join the meeting. And all she has to do is press the button that says Join Meeting, and she'll come right into the chat. Hey, Brooke, how's it going?
It's great. How's your day?
It's going great, thanks.
Good.
So a couple of things to show you here as we have our Hangout with Brooke. Whoever is presenting ideally should be the only person that has their microphone turned on. Everybody else, to get the best sound quality, should mute the microphone. And what you can do is just move your mouse, and you see the white bar that's on the bottom of the screen now, and those three circle buttons. The one that's on the left says Turn Off Microphone. So if I click that, now my microphone is off and Brooke can't hear me. If I click it again, now it's back on and Brooke can hear me. The other one too, the middle button is to end the Hangout, to leave the call, and then the button on the right is to turn your camera off. So that might be useful if you need to have a private conversation with somebody away from the Hangout. Now, one of the other cool things that you can do is to show your screen to everybody else that's in the Hangout. So if I had something on my computer screen that I wanted Brooke to see, I would click that button that says Present Now, and it's going to ask if I want to present my whole screen or just a window, and I can click on that, and it brings up this prompt here. I click on my screen and hit Share, and in just a second here, Brooke is going to be able to see my computer screen. So whatever I'm doing on here, whether it's in my web browser or in another app, she's going to be able to see that. When I'm done, I just click Stop Presenting. And then the other thing that's really cool here, this is a neat feature that Google has, you can have live closed captioning for your meetings. So let's say you were going to have a Hangout with somebody who either couldn't listen to the audio of the meeting in real time, or you have somebody who is hearing impaired in the meeting. All I have to do is click Turn On Captions. And when I do that, Google will start transcribing my words in real time. Now, it's not perfect, and there may be some grammatical errors that appear in the closed caption, but it's a great solution if you ever need to have that. And if I'm done with captions, I just click turn off captions. All right, thanks, Brooke.
Thank you. Good to see you.
All right, so I just clicked leave call, and now the Hangout is over. One more thing that I want to show you before we get away from here, and that is if we go back to the main Google Hangouts meeting website, notice here that I've got a couple of other meetings that appeared. So this is a really cool feature that Google has built into the Calendar app. If you create a meeting in your Google Calendar and you invite someone else to that calendar event, it will automatically create a Hangout meeting for you so that you don't have to go in and start a new meeting. You and the other attendees of the meeting can just go directly to the Hangouts meeting website and click on whatever meeting you have there, and you will automatically go into a Hangout with everybody that's supposed to be at that meeting. So that's kind of a cool feature. And by the way, you can also use Google Hangouts Meet on your smartphone. Just go to your smartphone's app store and look up Hangouts Meet by Google. Download the app, it's a free app. Log in with your school system Google account. And once you're there, you can then start meetings or access Hangout meetings from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.